This visit is, of course, quite unusual, as Israel and Pakistan do not have diplomatic ties. Tell me, what did other people had to say when they heard you're making this visit to Israel, or once they heard that you're already here? What are the reactions like in Pakistan?
I think the overwhelming reaction from what I've been getting feedback is very positive. Of course, there will always be some people who criticize and who are negative, but I think in general the response is very positive, because people to people, we need to have these exchanges to be able to promote understanding and to promote peace. So the reaction is quite positive.
And as someone who served in the Pakistani government and who knows your country so well, what can we expect in terms of the future of relations between the two countries? Can they develop into full diplomatic ties in the future?
I don't see why not, but I think it will be also directly linked to the resolution of the Israeli-Palestinian conflict. Pakistan, as you know, officially stands by its commitment to have the Palestinians get their rights and to have the Palestinian state, or whatever is decided, but that's between Israel and Palestine. Pakistan wants to have relations, but at the same time Pakistan has consistently supported the Palestinian issue and its position vis-a-vis the Israeli